Welcome to the another video. So in this video we are going to the advanced process. So we are going to set up color and typography. So click the settings options. So first of all we are see changes our typography. So click here typography. You can see this section, okay, theme settings. If we need changes the font, you can change the font pop-ins block. You just click here, you see mono, sans serif, and you see all are available the font here. So if I click the mono, just click here, select, you can see the it is changes some. You see now this is change the font, okay. So if I click the keep the pop-ins, just search here pop-ins. So when I click it, select, you see this text are changes, okay. I hope you understand. Like this you can change your font, and you can font weight, you can drag and drop, you can customize it, your font weight, size, scale also. And body, for the body you can also set your font which is here. So I will keep the mono, select, so it is now changes, okay. So let's try another text like serif. So select, you can see the changes content, okay. So we are keep the both font pop-ins, you can choose any kind of font, okay, that's it. And okay, that's it, okay. This is like this, you can change your font. Now we are going to the color setup. So if I click the colors, we are going to the theme settings and choose the color here. And now we are need to set up our brand color, okay. So as you see, Shrine have primary colors which is here, and this is one, okay, solid button label, it is white. Then have accent 1, accent 2, and below have background 1, background 2. So basically it is, you can set up your store 4 brand color, okay. Accent 1, accent 2, and background 1, background 2, okay. This is, so let's look how it will showing. So as I see, we are need brand color changes, which is accent 1. So if I change it color some, so let's change this like this, okay. It is now changed, and we are want for solid button label which is white, we need keep it black like this. You see all these are now black, okay, and also menu are black. So like this you can set up your color. And second thing is accent 2. Suppose accent 2 we are keeping, suppose we are keeping keep this color, okay. So no problem, we are keep this, okay. Let's try another color, we are keeping like this, okay. Color accent 2 color, gradient color accent 2, we are don't need any gradient color, you can keep it. So I will remove it. And text color secondary color, which is called secondary color. So we are primary color already set up, and now we are set up secondary color. I will show you how it will change it. So secondary color, I want keep the text color is so it is need should be checked. So you see secondary color is okay, let's change. So we need like this white, and background color it's default for this color, okay. Body color which is came from template, so we just change it, we are change like this. So we are keep, okay, perfect, we are change 3 color almost. You carefully see accent 1, accent 2, I will change this color, okay, just simply. And finally background 1, and keep the background 2 color, I will keep this, it is background black. Okay, perfect. So now we are change it here how it will work. So if I click the horizontal ticker, suppose we need change this color also, you just click here horizontal ticker and you see scroll a little, you see color schema which is accent 1. So if I choose the accent 2, as you remember, I will accent 2 color using this color. Okay, so if I click the background one, it is blue color and text is white. Why? That's why you see secondary color is background one, this color, and text color is white. I hope you understand. And primary color is which is accent one color like this, and solid button label is black. So if I go to the back again and choose the accent one, you see text is still black. Why? Because this color I will choose the black. If I choose the white like this, you see it is white. You can see it is white. Definitely it is come from white, so I will keep it black. I hope you can set up your color style like this. So now we are change background to, suppose we need inverse colors white, we can choose custom color, and some section you just check here custom color, you can choose any custom color. Okay, so I will keep this. You see I will change any color of as I want. I hope you understand, it is help for you. So we just change it accent 1. Okay, perfectly. And now we are going to the header part. Just click here header and we can change the, as like before, color schema background 1, we can keep the accent 2, or we will keep the accent 2, background 2, background 1, or I will keep it accent 2. Okay, like this. Okay, perfect. So it is not perfect, just I will show you for practice purpose. So let's settings and I will change it accent color to, so keep this is white, which is best looking for the design layout. Okay, I hope you understand. And final part is we are image banner. So it is template. So we just click. So basically template, you go to the all section. Suppose we are go image banner, you see all schema color is default is background 1. You see if I go to the another section, you see it is color is where is color, highlighted color schema is background 1. You see, so it is Shrine themes default setup for you. When you choose the add section, its default color is background 1 color. So you can set up your background color here, anything you want. Okay, for the default. So I will change it for background, keep the white. Okay, and text should be color black. Okay, fantastic. Also you can set up your brand color like this. Okay, this color. Okay, fantastic. I hope you understand now how we'll set up your font and everything. So let's set up this one finally. So image banner, I will click here and click the heading. So we can change our image banner, and heading also you can highlighted color can change. Let's see it is work well or not. Maybe it's not work. So keep the, it is default. Okay, text color is, this is text. And finally button, this is important. So click the button label, you should keep a button link. So I will click the all button link, and now use outline button style. When I click it, you see it is default white. Okay, and secondary button we don't need this, we just remove it, and I need keep this default color. Okay, so let's go to the settings again, and if you see outline button is this one. Okay, you can change it. Change it button outline color also setup you can like this. Okay, so I hope you understand how you will change. So let's check if we need button label color changes. So how we'll do, just click here, you see button label color is this. So let's go to the again and outline button this is. So if we need change it, so let's plug, just it plug. I hope you understand how you will set up this. So I will keep this default color, okay, which is I will set up it. So I hope you understand how you will set up your brand color. And finally, if we change the, suppose we change the this section background color, so let's click the icon bar, and if we need another custom color, so cards color schema, okay, let's see color schema. Okay, this is color schema background 1, we need background 2, it is black, we need accent 2, it is white, we need accent 1, it is like this. I hope you understand how you will set up your brand color on your store. So just click the save.